Go.
There it goes. It was falling halfway up. Funny. He's looking at me like, bull. That's funny. It was funny. He jumped and he fell halfway down, hanging off. Fell halfway up. So fat.
You don't know what? You don't know what's in your house.
There you go.
No. Oh.
He's in there like, oh, embarrassing. And I was like,